everybody, welcome back to Minute with Me. So it's Thanksgiving here in the campground, and as you can see, we're pretty full because our guests love to spend the Thanksgiving holiday here in Ocean Lakes Family Campground. So for those of you that are going to be here for Thanksgiving, or if you're going to be here throughout the year and you're cooking or frying a turkey for your Thanksgiving meal, here's a tip for you. So if you are looking to dispose of your cooking oil, you can bring it to the Meat and Eat, located at Camptown Center. Once you've gotten to the Meat and Eat, you can ask for one of our teammates and they will help you dispose of your used cooking oil. From there, we send it off and it's recycled to make biodiesel fuel, which is part of our iCare program.
Well, that's been another Minute with Me. Make sure you pick up a yellow November activities calendar to see what we have going on this weekend. You can find those in the Recreation Center, the front office, the golf car building, the RV Center, and properties. So, tune in next time for another Minute with Me, and I hope you all have a very happy Thanksgiving.